Hi guys. Today's job we're going to be doing is replacing something on this gator, and I hope you left comments in the section below in the last video that we did so you can successfully guess. I'm going to be replacing this tail light today, and it looks like I need some Allen wrenches or something like that to get rid of this piece and to take the side panel off on this thing. God, I got no idea what these star looking things are, but it fits, whatever it is. I got no clue what this thing is. Hmm. Guess what I need to do before I take this bottom one out any further is I need to open this box and make sure it's the right one. Wasn't really expecting just everything. I was expecting just the case, but oh well, whatever. Okay. So how does... What do you gotta do? Take this corner piece off, maybe? Oh no, there it comes. Man, that's a stupid design. Only thing I can see is it looks like I gotta pick the bed up to get to the darn things, because it goes down through the way it looks. That'll make anything easy. I was hoping it would just fall out and I could just disconnect it. Nope. Not that easy. Gosh darn it. Okay, so they do make it somewhat easy. You just kind of got to fish it down through these holes and everything and run a new plug up to there. So let me get this disconnected here. We'll figure out how this comes out. Okay, so I got the light in. I'm gonna peel the plastic, get it bolted in, and then Or at least just get it set it up there, bolt it in, and then go with it. Something like that. We'll go ahead and get it bolted in now. So if anybody's doing this by themselves like I am, you'll want to remove these plastic little guys from the old light, or whichever one you've broke, and you want to put them on the slots where these guys go, like that, and then the screw will be able to go in a lot easier, like that. So let me do this side and we'll get it put in and tighten it down. There. How's that look? Now we just got to put this gizmo back on. Or no, this thing, excuse me. Just pretty sure it went that way. Okay. All right. There somewheres. I think this one was just snug. So tailgate shuts like normal, so that didn't get affected. I still gotta plug that thing in yet. I forgot. Oops. Okay, it's plugged in. Have to get some zip ties and put back. Where this thing went. Let's see. Oh no, you gotta be shitting me. Just wasn't pushing her enough on the plug. So, got tail lights. Got 4-ways. And a backup lights. No, the backup alarm is for over at work. We're required to have one, so that's why I got it. So if you guys enjoy, thanks for watching.